Hello, I'm Reverend George, Pastor George, and you know me as Georgespratz. I'm in town to give you a quick one on how to harmonize certain African melodies. There are so many ways to do it, but this is a quick one and an easy one. Let me do this using a very common song in Ghana, Kai Ominya Kai. I mean, that melody will lend itself to be harmonized, you know, it's beautiful harmonizing certain melodies than others, so let's use that. Haven't you fallen in love with this already? I'm not going to talk too much. Just follow the chord charts I'm going to present and you'll be good to go. It will give you an idea on how we do it. Alright, when I finish, I will explain something very little. But if you just follow the chords as they are presented, the progression, you'll be good to go. Listen to the melody. Kayo, mi, mi, kayo. Mi, 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 re, do, do. Mi, 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 re, do, do. Mi, 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 re, do, do. Did you see that? Mi, 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 re, do, do. And on the do, mi is someone else with C. Re, D, them. Then do, A minor. The next thing, then so, fa, fa, mi, mi. So, C, seventh, first inversion. Then fa, fa, D minor, seventh. Then mi, E, dominant seventh. Then in harmony, we don't harmonize every note, though all can be harmonized. Re, re, La, do, mi, mi. And the mi, mi is C over G. Then G seventh. G dominant seventh. Resolved to C sus 4. C suspended 4th. Resolved. See? Then my favorite part is here. La la so fa fa mi. F dominant 7. But I play the root before every chord. Then again, single notes. D minor to E dominant 7. Then the continuation. The same thing. F dominant 7. C first inversion. D minor 7. C to D dominant 7. Or I can play its first inversion to G 7th, sometimes flat 13th, to create some tension or some dissonance. Then I'll end it this way. Mi, 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 re, do, mi, mi, re, do. C, D, dim, A minor. La, 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 E, dim. Fa, la, la, fa, D minor. Then la, ti, do, di, re, re, mi. La, ti, do, di, re, re, mi. La, la, re, re, mi, so, fa. Re, re, mi, so, fa. Duet. Re, re, mi, so, fa. Fa, D minor. La, do, mi, mi. G7. Do. My name is Pastor George Mensa. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to leave your comments. Please share this beautiful tutorial to bless others with. In case you are looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson with a pro, where else would you like to look? Pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. I give lessons to beginners, intermediates, and even advanced students. See you again and soon.